Hi, this is Coins News Now. The SEC has been slapped across the face by a judge once more. As you will see, the SEC is now facing sanctions for abuse. Let me tell you this right away in the video. We already know that the SEC is a despicable government agency that needs reform from the top down. Kim Jean-Ginnisler shouldn't be in charge of this thing. These people, these attorneys, my God, they are outright liars, and they are happy to ruin people's lives in order to have a chance to win. Furthermore, we know that the judge called the SEC out in the SEC v. Ripple case. Or acting hypocritically, recall that the judge's most scathing criticism of the SEC in the SEC v. Ripple case was when she said that the SEC, quote, lacks a faithful allegiance to the law. Comments like that don't usually happen. So I want to tell you at the beginning of this video that as horrible and scathing as that was in the SEC v. Ripple case, what happened here today is like that on steroids, the degree to which the judge ripped the SEC to shreds, basically outright calling liars. I just haven't seen anything like it. I felt it was awful and really direct in the SEC Ripple instance. This is similar to that, but it's much more straightforward and contains everything we know about the disgusting SEC, which is in line with everything we've been saying about this terrible organization. The judge has clearly determined that this is the case, but before we move on, let me clarify that I have no financial background of any kind, that I'm not giving financial advice, and that you should never buy or sell anything as a result of anything I say. I'm just an enthusiast who likes to make YouTube videos about crypto-related topics as a pastime, so I'll get into the details in a moment. Highlight this from Stuart Alder, Ripple's chief legal officer, who wrote this evening, "If anyone believes this agency's conduct under this leadership is limited to this case, think again. Today, a federal court sanctioned the SEC for abusing its unique status to present evidence that was falsely. I have a bridge in Brooklyn that I would want to sell." No, this is not a unique situation for this agency. The poster was shared on social media site X by John Dion's Crypto Law Organization, and Crypto Law reported about it. The judge who comes next, Shelby's ruling, confirms what we already know: the SEC pursues innovative cryptocurrency startups in bad faith and will not stop at. Nothing to accurately disparage an entire industry, which is why, once more in the SEC v. Ripple case, the judge stated that the SEC lacks a faithful allegiance to the law. As the community at large pointed out at the time, this is exactly what the agency is: despicable, which is why the headline here from Cointelegraph's AC faces penalties for its flagrant misuse of authority in the debt box case. Once more, people, this is the most straightforward thing I've heard from a court dismantling the SEC. I've never seen anything like this, at least not to this extent. So you're going to appreciate that portion of it. So relax and perhaps you. You should not purchase or sell anything, do of anything I say or write, since I am not a financial advisor. That would be a very, very poor idea till the next time.